Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is pattern and symmetry. Children, look at the window of your room. You can see there are grills on the window, and look at the pattern of that grill. You can see it that there is a repetition of pattern in this. Suppose, see, this is also the picture of a window grill. You can see there are circles, then there are lines, vertical lines, then circles. So there is a definite repetition of design. Then you must have seen a rangoli, beautiful rangoli on the decorated. If you have visited to a mall like Saharaganj, you must have seen that on festival the rangoli is made on the floor. Now you can see how beautifully it is made, and it shows a definite pattern of colors and shapes also. Similarly, the cloth that we wear, that also sometimes either they are checked or stripes, they have a definite pattern. In nature also you can see pattern everywhere. You can see the flowers, the petals of the flower have a definite pattern. Then you have seen animals like giraffes, zebras, tigers. Their skin also shows definite pattern. Like giraffe have spotted skin, brown or black spots on yellow skin. Then zebra has stripes. Has a definite pattern of the stripes. Then tigers also you have seen definite patterns of stripes. So everywhere in the nature you can see a definite pattern. Apart from this, you can see some man-made patterns like in tilings, wooden tiles, or flooring. So these all are arrangement which is repeated in a particular order. It is called a pattern. Your mother knit sweaters at homes. She also knits some patterns on it. That is a design which is repeated after a regular interval. So that is all called pattern. You can see this pattern. Look at this pattern. See, first there is one flower, then two flowers, then three flowers, then four. The number of flowers are increasing. This is a regular pattern, increasing in number. Then see this figure. In this figure, see the change in direction. Here the small rectangle is this side, then it is inverted, then to the left side, then upward. First it is on the right side, then downwards, then left side, then upward. This is change in the direction. Then decrease in the number. See, here there are 9 dots, then there are 8 dots, then there are 7 dots, then there are 6 dots. If you have to draw the next pattern, you can draw 5 dots, then 4 dots. This is what is called a pattern. Means a arrangement in a particular order. That is called a pattern. So let us do the exercise. Look at the figure. Exercise 13A, yes. First there is a crescent moon, then a star, then a sun, then again a crescent moon, then again a star, then again a sun, then again a crescent moon. So after this, what you will draw? After the moon you will draw again a star. What you will draw? A star. Then after star, what you will draw? You will draw a sun. What you will draw? A sun. So this is a definite pattern. Then see, first a flower with a twig, then a leaf, an inverted leaf, then a leaf with 3 leaflets, then again a flower, then again you will draw a single, and then again a flower, then again what after that what you will draw? Again you will draw a single leaf. What you will draw? A single leaf. And then again leaf with 3 leaflets, then again a flower, then again after flower what you will draw? Again you will draw a single leaf. What you will draw? A single leaf, and you will draw a definite pattern on this leaf. Then again you will draw a leaf with 3 leaflets. Now see the pattern. One flower, then a single leaf, then a three leaf with 3 leaflets, then again a flower, then again a single leaf, then again a leaf with 3 leaflets, then again a flower, then again a single leaf, then again a leaf with 3 leaflets. Now see this. This is a ball, then a small ball, then an ice cream. Then again you will draw a ball like a sphere or a football. Again you will draw a ball, then again a small ball, then again what you will draw? You will draw an ice cream. What you will draw? You will draw an ice cream like this. Then again this ball, then again a small ball, then again an ice cream. Now look here. This is a triangle, 3 sides, and hexagon. Then again a triangle, again a hexagon, again a triangle, then again a hexagon, then again a triangle, then again a hexagon. See this. This yellow pattern, pink inside with 4, then this green pattern, then this yellow pattern, then this green, then this yellow. Again you will draw green, a big circle and 4 circles at its side. Then again you will draw the yellow. Then after this again you will draw the green one. You can color it also. I am not coloring because I am holding a camera in my hand. Then see this. This is a moon, then a globe, then a moon, then a globe, then a moon. Then again you will draw a globe. You can color it also. Then again you will draw a moon. Then again you will draw a globe. This is a definite pattern. Now make your own pattern. You can make anything of your own. So let us first draw a triangle, then a circle, then a square, then again a triangle, then again a circle, then again a square. So first we have drawn a triangle, then a circle, then a square, then again a triangle, a circle, a square. This is all that is called pattern. Very easy chapter. You will enjoy doing it. Do it and in your book only, okay?